In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Minecraft freezing every few seconds. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having performance troubles in Minecraft, I'm going to present to you 3 methods that might help alleviate this issue. For the first one, open up the device manager on your computer and check for your display adapters. If you have a display adapter within the device manager, make a note of who's the manufacturer of your display adapter. As you can see, I have an AMD display adapter, so I need to update my AMD drivers, but you might have an NVIDIA graphics card instead. After you check, open up your web browser and go to the corresponding manufacturer's website. So either go to the AMD and download the AMD drivers for your graphics card, or go to nvidia.com and download the according graphics drivers. Once you update the drivers for your graphics adapter, another thing you should check is to open up the control panel and open up the Java control panel. In here, click the Update tab and make sure Java is up to date and running the latest version available. Once you ensure that you have the latest graphics drivers and the Java, you can also try installing Optifine on your computer. So go to optifine.net and download the mod to help improve performance. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft freezing every few seconds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.